Hello, sunshine. Hi, my gorgeous, beautiful queens. I'm back to do another quick unboxing for you. Now, I did some contact lenses a couple days ago. So what I'm going to do is link that down below so you can see what that actual color looked like and the company. The one that I'm doing today is from a different company, and it's actually called stunninglens.com. I will leave their direct link down below as well, so you ladies can check them out. Their contact lenses are like $25.99. The one that I'm going to unbox for you today is called Cherry Ocean. So this is how they mail your package in this little envelope. And this is what the actual, I didn't know that it was actual lenses that were inside because of the packaging. It comes in a box. So on the outside, it says Fresh Lady. And let's open this up so you can see what the inside looks like. It doesn't tell you the color on the outside. But on the inside of this beautiful little box, there's your applicator. And this is actually cool. They send these little bottles with the solution inside. And your actual contacts is normally they come like a pair, but they're separated. So that's one, and here's the other one. It's stuck inside. I can't get it out. All right, so here's the other one. So my actual natural eye color is dark brown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put one contact in one eye, and then I'll come in close so you ladies can see what the actual color looks like versus my natural eye color. And then I'll do both, and then I'll come back and show you both of them. So do not get up from your chairs. I'll be right back. So this actual container is just a little bit more difficult to open. So when you order your lenses, ladies, please be careful when you go to open this, because it comes like this with these little metal strips, and it goes right around the actual lid like that. And when you're removing it, you might end up cutting yourself. So just be careful. Don't ask me why they're packaged like that, but I guess it's just to keep the solution inside so that nothing gets in and mess with the lenses. So let me go ahead and try them on. I actually had them soaking in this other solution for about 5 minutes. It's called Refresh, and you can get that in like Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere that they sell, contact eye solutions. So yeah, let me go ahead and try one in, and then you will see both of them after I put both in. All right, ladies, so just be careful and make sure that your hands are actually clean before you try to put your lens in. So this is my natural eye color, and then this is the actual contact lens. That's the color that I ordered. So let me go ahead and put the other one in. But before I do that, I just want to share with you, these are actually sold separate, or they come in a kit. I think you can pick those up. This actual pair does not come with any of these, and you store your contact lenses inside. And then sometimes they come with these little cases that comes with a mirror on the inside. So those you can pick up. I know they sell them separately in the stores. So you're gonna need that if you're ordering. Just make sure you get, some accessories to go with your lenses. So you don't have to struggle and try to pick it up with your fingers, because it's not gonna work. So anyways, let me go ahead, put the other contact lens, and I'll be right back. I was like tearing up for this one, but I just use my Q-tip to just blotch these areas. So there you go. So they're both in. As far as comfort wise, very comfy, very, very comfy. Now I've ordered some lenses before that weren't so comfy. It felt like I had a grain in my eyes, and it was bothering me so much. But just let me know what you ladies think. If I left anything out, shoot me an email. My email address will be down below in the description box, as well as all the information that you need for these contact lenses and the other review that I did on some other contact lenses. So yeah, or you could just leave a comment down below. So yeah, let me know what you think about these. There's actually no cons. I actually do like these. They're very comfy, like I said. The color is beautiful. Once again, it's from Stunning Lens, and they're fresh Lady Soft contact lenses, and these are in the color Cherry Ocean. So I hope this little show and tell help you ladies out. Why not just change up your look sometimes? If you feel like green eyes, then get you some green eyes. If you feel like blue eyes, get you some blue eyes. All right, so anyways, like I said, I will leave all the information down below for you. Do not miss out on this. The other website was a little bit less, but they're worth it. So until my next review, you ladies, please take care of yourself. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and do not forget to turn on your notifications. So there's lots more reviews coming up. You stay tuned, keep watching. I do appreciate and I love you ladies. One love. Mwah.